Introduction to Wealth Management. The introduction to wealth management sets the stage for the rest of the video and provides viewers with a high-level overview of what they can expect to learn. First, the definition of wealth management will be explained. Wealth management refers to the process of managing an individual's financial resources to achieve their long-term financial goals. This can involve a variety of strategies, including investment planning, retirement planning, tax planning, estate planning, and risk management. Next, the importance of wealth management will be discussed. Effective wealth management is essential for achieving long-term financial security and building wealth. Without a sound financial plan, individuals may struggle to achieve their financial goals or may experience setbacks, such as market downturns or unexpected expenses. Finally, an overview of what the video will cover in detail will be provided. This may include the specific topics and strategies that will be discussed, such as the wealth management process, investment strategies, retirement planning, tax planning, estate planning, and risk management. By providing viewers with a clear understanding of what they can expect to learn, they will be better able to follow along and apply the information to their own financial situation. The wealth management process. The wealth management process is a systematic approach to managing an individual's financial resources in order to achieve their long-term financial goals. There are several key steps involved in the wealth management process, including goal setting, risk assessment, asset allocation, and monitoring. Goal setting. The first step in the wealth management process is to identify and prioritize financial goals. This may include short-term goals, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a home, as well as long-term goals, such as retirement planning or wealth transfer to future generations. Setting specific and measurable goals is important for developing a sound financial plan and tracking progress towards achieving those goals. Risk assessment. Once financial goals have been identified, the next step is to assess the individual's risk tolerance. This involves understanding their willingness to accept risk in order to achieve higher returns, as well as their capacity to take on risk based on their financial situation and long-term goals. This step is important for developing an appropriate investment strategy that aligns with the individual's risk profile. Asset allocation. Based on the individual's financial goals and risk tolerance, the next step is to develop an asset allocation strategy. This involves diversifying investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and maximize returns. The asset allocation strategy should be reviewed and adjusted regularly to ensure it remains aligned with the individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. Monitoring. The final step in the wealth management process is to monitor the individual's financial plan and investment portfolio on an ongoing basis. This involves regularly reviewing performance and making adjustments as needed based on changes in the individual's financial situation, market conditions, and long-term goals. Monitoring is important for ensuring the individual stays on track to achieve their financial goals and can adapt to changing circumstances over time. In summary, the wealth management process is a comprehensive approach to managing an individual's financial resources in order to achieve their long-term financial goals. By following a systematic approach that includes goal setting, risk assessment, asset allocation, and monitoring, individuals can develop a sound financial plan and investment strategy that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. Investment strategies. Investment strategies are an important part of wealth management and involve making decisions about how to invest money to achieve long-term financial goals. There are several investment strategies that individuals can use, including diversification, asset allocation, active versus passive management, and investment planning tools. Diversification. Diversification involves investing in a variety of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, in order to spread risk and minimize losses. By diversifying investments, individuals can potentially earn higher returns while also reducing the impact of market volatility on their portfolio. This strategy can be implemented through investment vehicles such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other diversified investment vehicles. Asset allocation. Asset allocation involves deciding how to divide investments across different asset classes based on an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon. This strategy involves balancing risk and reward by investing in a mix of assets that offer varying degrees of risk and return potential. The goal is to create a diversified portfolio that is aligned with the individual's financial objectives and investment preferences. Active versus passive management. Active management involves actively selecting individual stocks or securities with the goal of outperforming the market, while passive management involves investing in an index or other benchmark with the goal of matching the performance of the overall market. Both active and passive management strategies have their advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between them may depend on an individual's investment goals, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. Investment planning tools. There are many different investment planning tools available that can help individuals make informed investment decisions. These tools may include financial calculators, investment analysis software, and online investment platforms. Investment planning tools can provide valuable information on investment performance, risk assessment, and portfolio optimization, helping individuals make more informed investment decisions. In summary, investment strategies play a critical role in wealth management and can help individuals achieve their long-term financial goals. By implementing strategies such as diversification, asset allocation, active versus passive management, and investment planning tools, individuals can develop a sound investment strategy that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is a critical part of wealth management that involves making decisions about how to prepare for and manage income during retirement. There are several key elements to retirement planning, including retirement income needs, potential sources of retirement income, managing retirement risks, and retirement planning tools. Retirement income needs. One of the first steps in retirement planning is to determine the amount of income needed during retirement. This involves estimating expenses, including healthcare costs, housing, food, and other expenses. It is important to consider factors such as inflation, taxes, and unexpected expenses when calculating retirement income needs. Potential sources of retirement income. There are several potential sources of retirement income, including Social Security, pension plans, personal savings, and retirement accounts. It is important to consider the income potential and tax implications of each source of retirement income when planning for retirement. Managing retirement risks. Managing retirement risks involves identifying potential risks, such as inflation, longevity risk, and investment risk, and developing strategies to manage those risks. Strategies may include investing in diversified portfolios, purchasing annuities, and planning for long-term care. Retirement planning tools. There are several retirement planning tools available that can help individuals make informed decisions about retirement planning. These tools may include retirement calculators, financial planning software, and online retirement planning resources. Retirement planning tools can provide valuable information on retirement income needs, potential sources of retirement income, and retirement risk management strategies. In summary, retirement planning is a critical part of wealth management that involves making decisions about how to prepare for and manage income during retirement. By considering retirement income needs, potential sources of retirement income, managing retirement risks, and using retirement planning tools, individuals can develop a sound retirement plan that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. Tax planning. Tax planning is an important aspect of wealth management that involves making decisions about how to minimize tax liabilities and optimize after-tax returns. There are several key elements to tax planning, including tax-efficient investing, retirement planning for taxes, and estate planning for taxes. Tax-efficient investing. Tax-efficient investing involves making investment decisions that minimize tax liabilities and maximize after-tax returns. This may include investing in tax-advantaged accounts such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and 401k plans, as well as considering tax implications when choosing investment vehicles such as mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Retirement planning for taxes. Retirement planning for taxes involves making decisions about how to manage tax liabilities during retirement. This may include strategies such as converting traditional retirement accounts to Roth accounts, managing required minimum distributions, RMDs, and planning for potential changes in tax laws. Estate planning for taxes. Estate planning for taxes involves making decisions about how to manage tax liabilities related to estate planning. This may include strategies such as gifting assets during life, setting up trusts to manage assets and minimize tax liabilities, and planning for potential changes in tax laws. Overall, effective tax planning can help individuals minimize tax liabilities and optimize after-tax returns, enabling them to achieve their financial goals more efficiently. By implementing strategies such as tax-efficient investing, retirement planning for taxes, and estate planning for taxes, individuals can develop a sound tax plan that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. It is important to consult with a qualified tax professional to ensure that tax planning strategies are appropriate and effective for individual circumstances. Estate planning. Estate planning is an essential part of wealth management that involves making decisions about how to manage and distribute assets after death. There are several key elements to estate planning, including estate planning tools, trusts and wills, and minimizing estate taxes. Estate planning tools. Estate planning tools include legal instruments such as powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and living wills that enable individuals to plan for incapacitation and end-of-life care. Other estate planning tools may include life insurance policies, charitable trusts, and gifting strategies. Trusts and wills. Trusts and wills are essential components of estate planning that enable individuals to transfer assets to heirs and beneficiaries in accordance with their wishes. Trusts can provide a range of benefits, including asset protection, tax benefits, and flexibility in managing and distributing assets. Wills are legal documents that specify how assets will be distributed after death and can be used to appoint guardians for minor children. Minimizing estate taxes. Minimizing estate taxes is an important part of estate planning that involves using strategies to reduce the tax liabilities associated with transferring assets to heirs and beneficiaries. This may include strategies such as gifting assets during life, setting up trusts to manage assets and minimize tax liabilities, and taking advantage of tax exemptions and deductions. Overall, effective estate planning can help individuals ensure that their assets are managed and distributed in accordance with their wishes, and can minimize the tax liabilities associated with transferring assets to heirs and beneficiaries. By implementing strategies such as estate planning tools, trusts and wills, and minimizing estate taxes, individuals can develop a sound estate plan that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. It is important to consult with a qualified estate planning attorney to ensure that estate planning strategies are appropriate and effective for individual circumstances. Risk management. Risk management is a critical component of wealth management that involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that may affect an individual's financial well-being. There are several key elements to risk management, including insurance and hedging. Insurance. Insurance is a common risk management tool that individuals can use to protect against a variety of risks, including health, property, and liability risks. Health insurance can provide coverage for medical expenses, while property insurance can protect against damage to physical assets such as homes and vehicles. Liability insurance can protect against legal claims for damages caused by the individual or their property. Hedging. Hedging is a risk management strategy that involves using financial instruments such as futures contracts, options, and swaps to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. For example, an individual may use futures contracts to lock in the price of a commodity or a currency, or use options to limit their exposure to potential losses in a stock or bond portfolio. Effective risk management can help individuals protect their financial well-being by reducing the potential impact of unexpected events or market fluctuations. By implementing strategies such as insurance and hedging, individuals can develop a sound risk management plan that aligns with their unique needs and priorities. It is important to consult with a qualified financial advisor to ensure that risk management strategies are appropriate and effective for individual circumstances. This video provides top-to-bottom information on wealth management that summarizes the key points covered in the video, highlights the importance of working with a wealth manager, and provides final thoughts on wealth management. Recap of key points. The conclusion should provide a brief recap of the key points covered in the video, including the definition of wealth management, the wealth management process, investment strategies, retirement planning, tax planning, and risk management. Importance of working with a wealth manager. The conclusion should emphasize the importance of working with a qualified wealth manager to develop a comprehensive wealth management plan that aligns with an individual's unique needs and priorities. A wealth manager can provide valuable insights, expertise, and guidance on a range of financial topics, including investment strategies, retirement planning, and tax planning. Final thoughts on wealth management. The conclusion should provide final thoughts on the importance of wealth management and its role in helping individuals achieve their financial goals. Wealth management can provide individuals with peace of mind, financial security, and the ability to enjoy their wealth both now and in the future. Overall, the conclusion of a video on wealth management should leave viewers with a clear understanding of the key principles and strategies of wealth management, and the importance of working with a qualified wealth manager to develop a comprehensive wealth management plan that meets their unique needs and goals.